Hi, I'm John, one of the major domos here at Domo. Let me tell you about one of the most exciting problems I've been able to work on. I noticed that management would often make changes to process, but we didn't always come back around to see how effective these changes were. The problem was that we couldn't tell if these changes were having a positive or a negative impact, or any impact at all. I wanted to see the impact of every project in every department. I worked with a number of different people to define key outcome metrics for every department, and was then able to use a data flow to join those with finance data and get ROI for every department for every month. Once that was done, I was able to create a web form that listed every project that was going on in each department, along with the start date and the date we expected to see results. Once all of the data was joined together, I was able to create cards showing the outcome metrics both before and after the changes had been implemented. I also added standard deviations to see if we had really moved the needle or if the change we were seeing was just noise. With this data, I created pages for every department showing the trends of the outcome metric, ROI, the finances, and the initiative performance so that management could see how their whole organization was performing at a glance. And we could easily see which initiatives were performing well and which ones weren't so that we could hone our strategy moving forward. Moving the needle can be a problem, but that problem was solved with Domo. Hi, I hope you liked my story. If you have your own I Solved It with Domo story that you'd like to share, click this link up here. This will give you some tips and tricks on how to make your own I Solved It with Domo story, and then also how to submit it to us so that we can feature it on our Dojo page and on our YouTube channel. If you click this link, you can watch all of our I Solved It with Domo videos, hopefully giving some real value to you and your business.